everyone, it's Heather Nichols, and I have some really cute personalized tags to share that I created for the upcoming holidays. I used the new Fluffy Friends holiday stamp set to stamp some critters for my tags. I colored them with Copic markers and I'll die cut them out with the coordinating dies. I also used the Boughs and Berries background stamp, the new Handlettered Alpha stamp set, Oreo Sugar Cube ink, and I'm using the Stitched Banner Stacklets dies, the largest size for my tag base, along with the tag reinforcements die. I'll die cut those tag bases from Cherry Pop and Toffee cardstock. Next, I die cut out all of my fluffy friends and accessories that I'll decorate my tags with. I'm stamping the Boughs and Berries background onto the Toffee Stitched Banner Stacklet die cuts using Sugar Cube ink. I put it into my MISTI and I'm stamping it twice to get a nice crisp impression on the Toffee cardstock. I trimmed just a little bit off the top of the Toffee tags because I'm layering it onto a Cherry Pop tag and it will just show a little bit of that red at the bottom. Now for personalizing these tags using the Handlettered Alpha stamp set. The stamp set is clear, and so you need to make sure to reset your MISTI to accommodate the size of the stamp. Then I'm lining up each letter one at a time. You can overlap the thick part of the letter with the little tail that comes off of the letter before it. Because this is a clear stamp set, it really makes lining up the letters really quick and easy. These tags are for my daughters and also for my nephews, and so I'm spelling out each of their names. I'll just zoom you through the rest of my tag personalization. Once I have all of the names stamped, I'm attaching that stamped Toffee tag piece to the Cherry Pop tag. If you remember, I mentioned that I trimmed just a bit off of the one end of the Toffee tag so that the red will peek out from the other side of the tag. I'll also attach a tag reinforcement die cut to the top of the tag that I die cut from Cherry Pop cardstock. I think you can never have too much glitter, especially when you're working on Christmas projects. So I'm taking a glue pen and I'm adding a little bit of glitter to all of the little critters that I'm using on my tags. Now I'm attaching all of the little critters to the different tags. I'm attaching them with foam squares just to pop them up a bit on the tag bases. One final step is threading some twine through each of the holes on the tags so they are ready to attach to gifts for the Christmas season. You can find the supplies to create your own personalized tags like these at the Tailored Expressions web store at tailoredexpressions.com. Thanks so much for joining me, everybody. I'll see you next time.